Okay, so Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So for today's video, I will teach you a new chapter which is chapter 2, number bases. Okay, for what is number bases? Okay, before we go through the definitions of number bases, so our first lesson is how do you represent and explain numbers in various bases in terms of numerals, places value, digit values, and number values based on the collections process. Okay, so after this I will teach you about the what is a collection process. Okay, but before that, okay, look at this table. Okay, the table below shows the digit used in base 2 up to base 10. So this is all the type of number bases. We have base 2, base 3, base 4, base 5 until base 10. Okay, now apa? Okay, look at base 2. Base 2, the digit consists of 0 and 1 only. 0 and 1, which is not exceed number 2. Okay, base 3 consists of digit 0, 1 and 2, which is not exceed number 3. Okay, and then base 4, 0 until 3. Base 5, 0 until 4. This is the digit number for each base. Okay, look at base 6, 0 until 5, base 7, 0 until 6, base 8, 0 until 7, base 9, 0 until 8, base 10, 0 until 9. Okay, we don't have base 1. Okay, and then for your information, okay, base 10 is the base that we usually use. Apa maksud dia? Kita selalu guna. So maksudnya macam before this you already know the number which is 254, right? So this is base 10. Base 10 is the number that we usually use. Before this we use, but it doesn't mention to you that is the base 10. Okay, so now for this chapter 2, you know that the number that we usually use is actually it's a base 10. Okay, remember this one. If the question didn't told you that, if the question gives you the number like this but there is not mentioned what base is it, so we need to consider, you need to assume this is base 10. Okay, remember? Alright. Okay, so look at this one, this table. Okay, example 1. Give 2 examples of numbers that represent number in base 2 up to base 10. Okay, look at here. Number base 2. Remember, for number base 2, the digit is consists of 0 and 1 only. So look at here. This is example of number base 2. It consists 10 base 2, 1001 base 2. This is how you pronounce it. Okay, this is the number, this is the base. Okay, so we don't call it as 10 base 2. We didn't call like that. We call it as 10 base 2, 1001 base 2. Okay, other example like for example, okay. Okay, number base 2. Remember, for number base 2, the digit only consists of 0 and 1. So you can create any number base 2 based on this digit, which is 1001. So this is base 2. Automatic, we know this is base 2. Okay, so like this. Okay, this is example. This is other example I show you. Okay, now look at number base 3. Okay, remember, for number base 3, the digit is 0, 1 until 2 only. So you can create any number that consists of 0, 1 and 2. For example, like 0, 1, 2. Okay, this one consider as base 3. Okay, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so this one is base 3 macam tu. Okay, so now number base 4, okay, like 23, 2, 3, base 4, 2, 1, 3, base 4. This is example for number base 4. Number base 5, 4, 1 base 5, 3, 4, 2 base 5, like this. Okay, while for base 6, the example for number base 6 is 3, 5 base 6, 4, 5, 1, 0 base 6. Okay, so this one also like this. This is the example. You can look at the table. Okay, so nothing much, just like this. Okay, so that's it. We continue for our next lesson. Okay, now we proceed with example 2. Okay, when you look at example 2, the question asks you to state the place value for each digit in the numbers below. So how you want to state the place value? Okay, if you want to state the okay, so look at the example, look at A, which is 6231 base 8. Okay, the question asks you to state the place value for each digit. Place value for each digit. So every one of this number you need to state the place value. Okay, so how you want to do it? Okay, look at the solution. Okay, so the number in base 8, the number is 6231. So 6231. And then the place value for 6. Okay, before we go to this one first. Okay, the place value for 1 is 80. Because of what? 1 is the most the yang paling hujung sekali. So it start with 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 8 base 1, 8 to the power of 0. So 8 to the power of 0. And then 3, 8 to the power of 1, 2, 8 to the power of 2. For the number for digit 6, the place value is 8 to the power of 3, like that, based on the positions of the number. It start from here, from behind. So 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, so look at B. Number in base 2. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So the place value, we know that the base is 2. So we know this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2 to the power of 0, 0, 2 to the power of 1. So the place the place value of number 0 here is 2 to the power of 1, like that. Same goes as this one, 2 to the power of 2. For this digit, place value is 2 to the power of 3. And then for 1 here, 2 to the power of 4. 1 here, 2 to the power of 5. Okay, from you need to count from behind. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1. Okay, I hope you can understand this one, because this is a very simple one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay, so okay, look at the okay, now look at example 3. Okay, before this, we learn how to state the place value for each digit, right? This is for example 2. And then for example 3, the question asks you to state the value, not the place value, the value of the underlying digit, which is for a certain digit in a number given. Okay, so state the value of the underlying digit. State the value and not the digit, not the place value, the value only. So how you want to do it? Okay, look at this one. For question E, okay, I will not show you the solution here. I will explain you to the much simple. Okay, so state the value of underlying digit in each of the following numbers. So look at A. A is 341 base 8. So the underlying number is digit 3. So how you want to state the value for the underlying digit? Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, this one 3 times with the place value. Okay, remember the place value I told you before this. Okay, the place value, we take it the base 8 and then look at the positions of 3. Okay, we start with 0, 1 and 2. So 8 to the power of 2. Then we know that 3 times 8 to the power of 2. Then you got 8 pula, sorry. 3 times 8 to the power of 2. Then you got 192. Okay, like this. This is how you state the value of the underlying digit. Okay, now look at B. 5037 base 9. Okay, the underlying number is 5. Okay, now how you want to state the value of the underlying digit, which is digit 5? Okay, take out the 5, times with the base, and then power with what? We count from here, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So, 9 to the power of 3. So, the answer will be 3645, like this. This is the value for the underlying digit 5, like this. Okay, now C. Look at C. Okay, C, the number is 3501 base 6. Okay, so the underlying digit is 5. Okay, take out the 5, which is the underlying digit, times with 6, which is the base, and then 5, the position of 5. Where is the positions of 5? So 1, 0, 1, and 2. So the power is 2. So 5 times 6 to the power of 2, 180, like this. Okay, ABC. Now D, look at D. Okay, D, 2134. 2134 base 5. Okay, the underlying digit is digit 4. Okay, take out the digit 4 and then multiply with the base and then power with what? 4, the position of 4 is in 0. So 5 to the power of 0 lah. Okay, so the answer will be 4, like this. Okay, simple je. Okay class, now look at example 4. Okay, example 4, the question asks you to determine the values of the following numbers. Just now you already learned that how you want to state the value of the underlying digit, right? The value of the underlying digit only. But this one, the question asks you to determine the value for the following number, which is the whole number here. What is the value? So how you want to do it? Okay, this is for the whole number and not for underlying digit. This is not for the underlying digit. For the underlying digit, I already told you. But for the whole number, how you want to determine the value for the whole number here, which is base 5. Okay, this is how you need to do it. Okay, look at A. 340 base 5, right? Okay, now, okay, we know this is base 5. Okay, look at here. Okay, so we start from 0. So 0 times 5. Okay, 0, the positions was in 0. So 0, 0, 1, 2, right? So 5 to the power of 0. And then plus with another digit here. 4 times 5 to the power of 1. Okay, and then plus 3, this one, times 5, which is the base, to the power of what? The positions of digit 3 is in 2. So 2. Then you key in your calculator. Okay, like this. Look at here. This is how the number is. Okay, then if you key in your calculator, then you got the answer 90. You got the answer 95. So you can just do like this, 95 only, because I already told you that if this is 95 only, that and there is no base state here, so we automatically know this is 95 base 10. Okay, this is base 10. Or you didn't mention this one, it's okay, because before this you learn that all the number, it is actually in base 10. Okay, so 95 to base 10. So this is the answer. Okay, now look at B. 341 base 7. So how you want to determine the value for the whole number here? Okay, so this one is the position is in 0, 1, and 2. So 1 times 7 to the power of what? 0, and then plus 4 times 7 to the power of 1, and then plus 3 times 7 to the power of 2. Then you calculate, you will get the answer is 176 base 10. Okay, like this. Okay, so I think no problem for this question. Okay, so